Looking for a new recipe to try?
Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council has a great slow cooker beef and mushroom dish tonight.
Hi guys, I'm in my kitchen and I've got the slow cookers running, and I'm gonna make kind of a non-traditional beef slow cooker recipe for you today. It's called slow cooked beef and mushroom braciole. So it's an Italian recipe, but I'm using flank steak. So we have so many great beef cuts that lend themselves perfectly to slow cooking. So all of our roasts, our chuck roasts, our round roasts, rump roasts, all those cuts that need that little extra attention, little extra time to tenderize. But flank steak is not traditionally made in the slow cooker. I like just marinating it, throwing it on the grill, and making fajitas. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna pound this flank steak thin, and then we're gonna stuff it and roll it and cook it in the slow cooker. So I've just got my flank steak unwrapped, and I've got my parchment paper here, and I've got a meat mallet, and I've already pounded it a little bit. So you just want to pound your flank steak a little bit more to flatten it out, make it kind of even thickness. And then I've got a mixture of fresh button mushrooms, grated Parmesan cheese, a little onion, and 2 slices of prosciutto, or you could use bacon, just chopped up. And I've got those 4 ingredients mixed together. That's gonna be my stuffing here for my flank. So I'm just gonna put this down on top. Now this recipe can also be prepared in a pressure cooker. So there's my stuffing. So my greens of my flank steak are running the long way. So I'm gonna roll it the opposite, so that when we slice through our rolls after it's done, you'll slice through the green. So just take your flank and roll it up like this. Try and keep as much stuffing inside as you can. And then I've got some kitchen twine, which I usually just get when I'm shopping for my beef. I just ask my guys in my meat department to hook me up with some, because they have it in back. So you just want to take twine, try and keep the stuffing on the inside, and tie this about every 2 to 3 inches. That's going to be our roll. So going like that. Now I've got a slow cooker here. Wash my hands. Take the lid off. I've got 1 can, a large can, a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I'm just going to put that in the bottom of my slow cooker. I'm going to add some kosher salt, some black pepper, and then about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. So give that a stir. Now, the rolled flank goes right in here on top of the tomatoes. So just take this after you get it all tied and transfer it right into here, into your slow cooker. Here is my finished roll. I did do it in the pressure cooker. So I pressured this on the meat stew high, the high pressure feature or function, for 60 minutes, 1 hour. Otherwise, in the slow cooker, let it go on low all day, 8 to 9 hours, or on high, 4 to 5 hours. Okay. So here's what it looks like when it's done. And I have a plate with some hot buttered noodles, or you could serve it with polenta, or even mashed potatoes, whatever your family likes. I'm gonna slice this up. This is our rolled stuffed beef flank steak in the slow cooker. Beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on that for this recipe, plus a lot of other super tasty, perfect recipes for fall slow cooker, pressure cooker recipes that you can try. All brought to you by the Beef Checkoff, Wisconsin's beef farmers. So enjoy and have a great fall.
Now I'm hungry.
Yeah, I just like saying it. Braciole.
Braciole. I've never heard of that before.
No, it looks delicious.